In realms of thought, where truths unfold, Neville's wisdom, a story to behold. You can forgive sin, a lecture so grand, a journey to grace, hand in hand. In this tapestry of words he weaves the power of forgiveness, a force that relieves. To let go, release, and set us free. From the chains of guilt we're meant to be. Can we truly forgive without a trace when shadows of the past still embrace? With empathy's touch, we can transcend to a realm where love's light never ends. To embody this teaching, we must dare to confront our shadows with love and care, to embrace compassion in every breath and extend forgiveness even to self. In our daily lives, this wisdom we'll find when grudges dissolve and peace of mind blossoms within us like a fragrant rose, spreading its petals wherever it goes. So let us ponder, with hearts wide open, how we can embody this wisdom unspoken. How can we apply it in our daily stride to create a world where forgiveness resides? Subscribe now for more wisdom's embrace to unlock the secrets at a rapid pace. Transform your life with each passing day as you journey inward in a profound way.